Welcome back to day 5. So in day 5, we tried writing in a single line book because this is the most commonly used book everywhere, and it is not always 4-line or 3-line book where you write the notes. It is important that you know how to write in a single line book. So as I said, you have to be using only 75 to 90% of the space between the two baselines. Here you have only one, that is baseline. And we learned how to do the ABCD, small letters till Z, and we have to be using only 50% to maintain the size of all the letters. So you're not supposed to do it this way because you're practicing now how to improve your cursive writing. So always suggested to write it on the baseline. And if you're doing it this way, it is absolutely wrong because here the letters are in different directions. The size is not same. See, if you see the size, they're not equal. So it's not suggested. So it is always preferred that you do it neatly. So we did that practice and we tried writing A to Z. So A to Z capital letters will use about 90% of the space between the two baselines. Those letters which are having this tail, they should come 50% down the line. That means here 50% down the baseline. And also don't worry if the letters are coming over the other letter. Don't try to avoid it. The moment you try to avoid it is when you lose the alignment. See, this alignment is very important. As I told you, the first alignment is very important in the beginning, but in the ending it will not matter. But in the beginning it's very important you maintain that. Then we learned one sentence: a quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. This is one important practice that you can do along with this. So here you have all the 26 letters. So it is important to practice that. And we also learned about these kind of letters like B, J, F, G, all these P. They should be straight and should not be bent like this. You should not bend the letters, but it should be straight. And also we tried writing long 7 to 8 letter words. We tried writing it like this without leaving the line. So here, see, if you can notice that we never tried avoiding any of the letter which are on top. We just did it the normal way. And when you see that you're not able to write any word in the space you have, just go to the next line. And in few cases you think that you'll be able to write but you'll not be able to complete, just put a dash and continue in the next line. And then we wrote one paragraph. I hope these 5 days workshop will definitely help you to improve your handwriting. So kindly do practice for the next 21 days, whatever we have done in the class. See you all. Take care.
Looking for online tutoring at affordable prices? At Shiva's Tuitions, we offer high-quality online classes, one-on-one and small groups for all grades, trusted by over 2,000 plus parents worldwide. Book a free demo today.